Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make a ninja ring. First, let's gather our materials. You'll need a single sheet of square paper, ideally 8½ by 8½ inches for a good size. Make sure your paper is clean and free of any folds or tears. A smooth, flat surface will also be essential for precise folding. This simple project is a fun way to create a classic toy. Now, let's begin the initial folds to create the base modules for your ninja ring. Start by folding your square paper in half diagonally, then unfold it. Repeat this on the other diagonal. Next, fold the paper in half horizontally and vertically, unfolding each time. These creases will guide your next step. Bring two opposite corners to the center point, creating a smaller square shape. This forms the foundation for one half of your ring. With your two smaller squares ready, it's time to shape the blades of your ninja ring. Take one square and fold it in half diagonally, creating a triangle. Now, carefully fold the two outer corners of this triangle inwards, aligning them with the center crease. This will start to define the sharp points. Repeat these exact steps for the second small square. You should now have two identical, pointed pieces, which are the two halves of your ring. Finally, let's assemble your ninja ring. Take one of your folded pieces and carefully slide one of its points into a pocket of the other piece. You'll need to interlock them, ensuring that all 4 points are evenly spaced and secure. Gently press down on the center of the ring to flatten and secure all the folds. Your ninja ring is now complete. It's a satisfying craft that results in a cool, classic toy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.